welcome back. So, today I would love to share my experience in the Young Minds Creative Writing Workshop I had joined a few days ago. The workshop was wonderful and it was conducted with Dr. Tanvi Gupta, who was my teacher and had guided me so nicely. We were taught so many things of creative writing, including emotions, plot, setting, and dialogue writing. I also learned what direct and indirect speech is. With the guidance of my teacher, I have written a story called Shining Starlet, and it will soon be published in a booklet. I will post the links for your reference of the Young Minds website down below in the description. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.